Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we talk about arthritis. Arthritis is a common condition that causes pain and swelling, inflammation in the joints. Common symptoms of arthritis include pain and stiffness in one or more joints. The main treatments for arthritis are lifestyle changes like exercises, physiotherapy, and medications. Surgery may be needed in more severe cases. The symptoms you may experience will vary depending on the type you have. If you have joint pain, tenderness, and stiffness, inflammation in and around the joints, restricted movements of the joints, warm red skin over the affected joints or weak muscles, see your doctor immediately. There is no cure for arthritis, but there are many treatments that can help slow it down. Let's talk about bone broth. There isn't a lot of research on bone broth, but many people love it. If you have gut problems, arthritis, you might want to test it out to see how it works for you. Here is a question: how to make bone broth? For making bone broth, you need 2 to 3 kg bone of beef, 10 ml apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of pink Himalaya salt. We also need 2 or 3 onions, ginger 25 grams, cloves 5 or 2, turmeric 1 teaspoon, cinnamon 2 long sticks, green coriander 25 grams, carrot 250 grams, and peas 100 grams. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and let everything sit for 30 minutes so the acid can help break down the minerals from the bones. Pour the water into pot so it covers bones and vegetables. Then bring to a boil over high heat. Reduce heat and then add salt and pepper, and then let it simmer 24 to 36 hours. Let it cool, then strain the solids from the liquid broth. Store it in glass jars. I use it in soups and stews. Use this bone broth every day. It's recommended for any age, children, adults, and old. Anyone can use it. And definitely you will see instantly relief. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and if you do like this video, please press the like button. Thanks.